Guys, welcome back to another video of a Tcl Smart TV black screen fix. I will power on the TV. It is a Tcl Smart TV. We press the power key. Complaint is you can see that a Tcl logo, but there is no light under the screen. Black screen. Customer says that sound is coming but there is no display. So viewers, I am telling you that there are two main reasons for the black screen problem. One is its backlight inverter section area is faulty, and the other is backlight strips are faulty. But viewers, in most cases 90% problems are due to the backlight strips, because they have passed their lives. Their lives is almost 2 years or 3 years. The bulb will expire and you have to change the whole backlight strips. So that problems comes due to the backlight strips. But there are some chances that the problem come due to inverter section area. So I will also tell you how to fix that problem in the video too, and also give the link in the description that how to solve the backlight inverter section area problem of any LED TV. Before viewers, I will show you the tools needed to repair and open the LED case. Viewers, first of all you will need a wireless screwdriver or a simple Phillips. You can use both of them. If you have not this, then you can use a normal Phillips. Then you will need a fine tip Phillips for opening backlight strips. The next tool you need is a LED tester. This Tcl Smart TV have model Tcl L40S6500. It is a very famous model, viewers. There are keypad jack connector with the motherboard. I will show you this. Here you can see that. I will remove them. Speakers and keypad jack. Now back cover is free. Put it on a side. Now look for the first step, viewers. Whenever you have the black screen problem, open the back case and go for the backlight inverter section area on the motherboard on the power or the power supply, and watch for the backlight area connector. Here is the wires coming from the back of the screen. These are red and white wires in every model, in every TV. So this is their symbol, viewers. So watch for capacitor near them and diode or SMDs or IC. If there is anything bad, so this area is inverter section area is bad. I have a video how to add external backlight driver to any LED LCD, and I will give the link of that video in the description and on the I button. Watch that video and see if that is helpful. If this is okay, in our case this is okay, capacitors and diode and all SMDs are okay, we will move to the next part. The next part is we have to release the scalar PCB from this LVDS cable. It have tiny locks. Push them inward and pull the cable back. I will do the process. It is free now, viewers. Now this scalar PCB is free from the motherboard. I will turn the screen again and open the front plastic covering the screen, and then open the screen, and our backlights are under that screen. Then we will check the backlights one by one. Now viewers, I have opened the small screws from the downside. Now our turn is for the sides. Use a sharp pin, screwdriver or anything, and gently click like this. Press it outwards. It has small tiny locks, and release the plastic fitting from all three sides. You can hear that. And put it on a side. Our scalar PCB is now free. You can see that. Gently lift it upward. Put your fingers underneath the screens like I am doing. Put your hand under the screen, full open hand. Then on the other side. Panel is glued, so be careful. Lift it like this. I have hold it on my both hands and gently place it on a safe place. After then, now it's done for the reflectors. Don't change their orders. Lift it upwards and place them. Place it on a side. Our backlights are visible now, viewers. Now viewers, our next step is to remove the backlight connectors from both strips and then check these one by one. Viewers, I will show you how to check the backlight strips. In order to check the backlight strips, this is the backlight tester, viewers. It is showing voltage. So first of all, you will find that how much each bulb contains voltage. So it's 3 volts or 6 volts. In today market, some strips are coming 3 volts and some are of 6 volts. So first of all, you will have to find the voltage of each bulb. So it have test points, minus and plus. Put the negative on, black on the negative and red on the positive. So you have the reading. You can see that on the meter it's showing 6 volt. So the bulb, one bulb contains 6 volt and these strips have 10 bulbs. So basically it have 60 volts. So if I test it's with its testing points, it will show 60 volts, but the bulbs are in series, so it will drop some voltage. It will show reading about 50 to 55 volts. If it is in this voltage range, then this is good, and if it is increased or decreased, then this is bad. Now I will check it. Viewers, 9 bulbs are glowing, the 10th is not glowing. I will show you. You can see that the last bulb is not glowing, and also on the meter you can see that the voltage is varying and it's increasing. So the light, this backlight strip is bad. Its voltage should be around 50 to 55 volt if it is good. Hope you have understand. Now I will check the next strip. Guys, no bulb is glowing, so this whole strip is bad. So we have to replace both strips, and I always tell you that it's always good to replace all the backlight strips. So I will change all the strips. Viewers, I have removed the bad ones. Now I will install the new strips. As you can see that I have both new strips of the same model. Now I will fix these strips on that LED. Now I will install the reflecting paper first, then assemble the things one by one. After installing all the supports, now it's turn for the reflecting papers. Place it accordingly into its position. Panel fitting is properly placed from all four sides. If you are sure, then move to the next part, that is placing the panel. Well, take well care about this part, viewers. Place the panel very carefully. Lift it up on your both hands and place well inside the four corners of this plastic fitting. Lift it with your both hands and place the down corners first, like I'm doing. No need of hurry. When you see all both corners are in line, then gently seat it from your side like this. Then confirm that from all four corners this panel corner should be inside. Here's this thing. This should be inside this plastic from all four sides. Make sure that the panel screen is inside plastic, not above. So if there is so, it will break. Now it's turn to place the plastic safety bezel for this screen. Gently press it downwards. It have tiny locks. Make sure your TV is all four corners are properly seated. Then turn and close the back side. I will now turn it. Now it is okay. Now it's L40S cable turn. Press it. Now it is okay. Now our connections are okay. I will now attach the back cover and these connections and then show you the final result. Now I have fixed all the screws, viewers. I will turn it and check the final result. I am inserting the power cord. Standby light is on, viewers. I will press the power key from here. Guys, our display is okay. our black screen problem is fixed now. You can see that our TCL TV is working now. Black screen problem for TCL TV screen have been fixed. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you viewers.